Happy summer! This is Lindabradley with Princess House, and today I want to bring you a non-stick cookware set that's going to make life so easy for you, and you're really going to love it. You know, what's really nice about non-stick cookware is it saves you so much time in clean up. They clean beautiful, and I wanted to let you know that all of our cookware is made without the dangerous chemicals. There's no PFOA, so you can safely use these pieces and not have to worry. All of our stainless steel cookware is made the same way. It's 1810 stainless steel, which is the highest quality you can get. In the bottom is a thick disc of aluminum, so even if you have a larger piece but you put it on a smaller burner, it all cooks evenly. All of these pieces are safe to cook on any cooktop, whether it's gas or electric, the flat top, the ceramic stoves, or even the induction units. They all can go in your oven up to 350 degrees with the lid and up to 450 degrees without the lid. So you can use them for so many of your recipes, and they will really help you. Because it is non-stick, you don't have to add added fats or oils, and that saves you a lot of calories without sacrificing the flavor of your meals. So enjoy cooking again. Let me show you the set that I have for you. I picked out the items that I felt would be good for everyday use. This is a great starter set for somebody who's just starting out, or maybe you've been cooking with really old, crappy, rusted cookware and it's time for you to change. So the first piece that I chose is a 10-inch skillet, and what I like about this is that it's large enough for your bigger breakfast, right? You can actually, depending on how many people you're cooking for, you can put eggs and potatoes all in one pan, and it's also big enough for your dinners. You can use it for chicken breasts, pork chops, anything like that. The next item in this collection is a 3-quart saucepan. So this is a good size for like mashed potatoes, macaroni and cheese, especially being non-stick. Macaroni and cheese is so easy. It does have little pour spouts on the side, and the lids are silicone, so you can see that there's a little strainer in there. So especially for like mashed potatoes or pasta, you can just strain it right into the sink. You don't even need a colander. I love that. And then there's a bigger model, and this is the 5-quart size. So this is more, if you're cooking your larger meals, this can be good for chili or soup or pasta, depending on how big you want to cook, but the same thing. It has the same type of thing on the side. I have a little bonus for you, and I'm going to include this is the cutest thing ever. This is we call our baby griddle. It's literally 6.5 inches. Look, it's the size of my hand. So it's great for like one grilled cheese sandwich. You can actually use it for fried eggs. I love it for omelets because if you look at the shape of it, once you put your eggs in here and you flip them, it makes a perfect rectangular omelet, all right? So that's a little bonus from me. And then I'm going to include some other items that you're going to use in your kitchen. This is a 2-quart pan that you're going to use so many different ways. And then I wanted to also include some of the Fantasia Fresh. So the Fantasia Fresh pieces are great. The bottoms are borosilicate glass. They're oven safe, microwave safe, dishwasher safe, refrigerator safe, and freezer safe. The lids are a combination of silicone and BPA-free plastic, so they can be used everywhere except the oven. They have a little vent on them, so when you close them, the last thing that you do is to hit that little vent, and it takes all of the air out, and it's also good because you can vent it to put it in the microwave. These are great pieces that you can use. I love the fact that they're clear, so when you have leftovers in the refrigerator, people can see what's in them and they don't go to waste. So this set, you're going to have 2 of the 2-cup size and then 2 of the 1-cup size. If you have littles around, this is the perfect size for your toddlers. All right, and then you're going to have to make a decision, all right? I have 2 items that I'm going to show you, and you can choose one with this set, your choice. So I gave you 2 of the most popular pieces in the non-stick. The first one is the double griddle. So you can see it's a double burner griddle. It goes front to back on your stove, and you can see how big this is. Now you can use this for 8 pancakes, 2 pounds of bacon, 8 pieces of French toast, 8 grilled cheese sandwiches, but remember, it can go in your oven as well. So I've used this for so many things. I baked pizza in here, cookies, brownies, chicken fajitas, steak fajitas. This is an awesome workhorse, and you'll use it all of the time. So There's your decision. You can either take the double griddle or you can take the grill pan. So this is a 13-inch. Let me see if I can show you a little bit better. 13-inch, yep, there you go. You can see the grill marks on it. So when you put your panini sandwiches on here or your steak or your chops, it will give you those nice char marks, and it has a really nice heavy, this is the glass lid, to press it down. So that's your choice. You're going to have to make a decision. You get one of these items with the kit. So this is the set. A 10-inch skillet, 3/4, is this 3 or 3.5? 3-quart saucepan with a straining lid, 5-quart saucepan with the straining lid, the baby griddle, 2 of the 1-cup Fantasia Fresh, 2 of the 2-cup Fantasia Fresh, a 2-quart casserole, and then your choice. Either the grill press and pan, okay, or the double grill. Your choice. You have to make that decision. And you can start this layaway. This is layaway number 7-1. You can start this layaway for just $135 and then just make 10 weekly payments of $40.86. So reach out to me, Lindabradley, at myprincesshouse.com or text me today. My text number is 856-404-7420. I can change payment arrangements for you. If you want to change a couple things in the package, sometimes I can do that. It depends on what it is, so just let me know. And then I'm happy to help you. So this is number 7.1. So, what? You see something else? Oh, you do see something else. I have another bonus for you. So this is a brand new item. It's not even in the regular catalog. We're not even sure if it ever will be. It's our Vida thermos. And what's really nice about it is, first of all, you can see how nice and big it is, but it's a very wide mouth, right? And it has room in here for 2 different kinds of foods. So inside it has like a fill line. So if you want to put 2 different foods in here, you put the bottom food in, then you put the top food in here, and then you put it all together. It will keep your foods hot for 5 hours, and it'll keep them cold for 7 hours. So this is a great item. As I said, it is not in the regular book. This is a bonus for you. You can get it for just $20 when you buy this set. So reach out to me, Lindabradley, at myprincesshouse.com or text me, 856-404-7420. You deserve to have good cookware that will enhance your food and make life easier for you. So take advantage of this.